The typical structural design and size requirements of the standard box-type substation are as follows. 1. The lengths and widths of the metal and non-metal material boxes are uniform, and the entire box transformer satisfies universal interchangeability. 2. The length of the box excluding the top cover is 3,600 millimeters. The width excluding the top cover is 2,200 millimeters, and the height excluding the top cover is not more than 2,500 millimeters. The box-type transformers we produce for residential areas adopt equipment that is operationally safe and reliable, technologically advanced, convenient for maintenance-free or requiring little maintenance, easy to operate, energy-saving, and environmentally friendly. The use of products that have been explicitly eliminated by the state and are unqualified is strictly prohibited. The equipment and materials connected to the power grid should all comply with the requirements of national, industrial, and enterprise standards, pass random inspections, and have the conditions for access to the distribution network automation. All equipment utilizes standard materials, and non-standard equipment and materials are gradually replaced in the renovation project. The box-type substation that has successfully completed the acceptance process and is all set to be dispatched to Myanmar. Welcome to contact my email to inquire about the preferential price. Our service team is on standby at all times to provide you with all-round technical support and after-sales service, leaving you with no worries. Whether you are a giant in the power industry or a small enterprise, we will serve you wholeheartedly and create a bright future together. The overload capacity has a significant impact on the service life of box-type transformers. If the box-type transformer is often in a slightly overloaded state, its service life may be shortened by 20% 30%. For example, a transformer originally designed to have a service life of 20 years may actually only be used for 14-16 years due to frequent 10% 20% overload operation. When the transformer is severely overloaded, such as more than 50% of the rated capacity or above, its service life may be sharply shortened, and even serious faults may occur in a short period of time, several months to 1 or 2 years, resulting in inability to be used normally. Long-term overload operation will accelerate the aging and deterioration of insulation materials, making the key components inside the transformer, such as windings and cores, more vulnerable to damage. At the same time, overheating will also cause fatigue and deformation of metal components, further affecting the performance and life of the transformer. Are you worried about the lifespan of the box-type transformer? In use, we're doing related research. When choosing a box-type transformer, it is necessary to consider the environmental factors of the installation site, such as temperature, humidity, altitude, and so on. In areas with high temperature, high humidity, or high altitude, pay attention that we can't provide you with solutions. Box-type transformers play a crucial role in modern power systems. For example, in urban residential areas, they provide reliable power supply for residents to ensure the normal operation of daily life. In industrial production areas, they provide stable voltage for large machinery and equipment to ensure the smoothness of the production process. In commercial centers, they support the power demands of numerous shops and office buildings to maintain the prosperity of commercial activities. The box shell of the box-type transformer adopts aluminized zinc steel plate and container manufacturing technology. The appearance design is beautiful under the premise of ensuring the reliability of power supply. By choosing the shell color of the box-type substation, it is very easy to be coordinated with the surrounding environment. Our service team is on standby at all times to provide you with all-round technical support and after-sales service, leaving you with no worries. Whether you are a giant in the power industry or a small enterprise, we will serve you wholeheartedly and create a bright future together.